writing a tasty lesson. Ladies Island Elementary School is hosting a Build Your Best Burger writing extravaganza. Students are having a deliciously fun time as they take a bite out of the hamburger paragraph.
We just completed a writing process activity with 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students to get them to understand the process that they need to take in order to write a completed piece of writing, in a sense, to write a perfect paragraph. And once you're able to write a perfect paragraph, you're able to write a perfect story. And so we talked today about all of the components that you need to have in order to write that story.
To bring the lesson to life, teachers and a student from each class wore t-shirts highlighting the key components of a hamburger paragraph.
I am the meat, and I help the details make sense, and I have to fit in with the cheese, the lettuce, and the tomato.
I am the lettuce in the paragraph, and I am a detail, and you need the details to know what you are talking about and make it more specific.
I'm the cheese. I am the last supporting detail, and I am very important because it's the last detail to kind of sum this stuff up.
Before students started writing their own stories, the teachers modeled what a perfect paragraph looks like.
It should only be one sentence though.
The main thing it does is makes them organize their writing. So before they even start writing down on a sheet of paper, they're thinking about what am I going to write. They're able to plan it out, draft it out. And so when they move from the organizer, everything's already completed. It's just transferring it to the next step, which would be their rough draft.
The hamburger paragraph is really helping the students organize their writing.
It helps me become a better writer because I can know how everything goes and where I'm supposed to put things. Like if I put the top bun on the bottom, I won't know how to write.
It helps me know the different parts of the writing, so I can remember like the top bun is the intro and so on and so on.
As an arts-integrated school, the lesson also included artistic elements. Students crafted their own hamburger sculptures and even incorporated music and dance into the activity.
The more that we can create activities that are going to get them energized and excited about doing it, like my students in there right now, like they're excited about finishing the rest of this because we added all of these other components, like the art component, the dance component, and the music component. So it really leveled up the importance of the activity so that they really see the value in it.
And the hamburger theme was everywhere as the cafeteria served up some hamburgers for lunch. At Ladies Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.